This is the XGIMI Horizon 20 Max. And XGIMI says it can replace your TV, your sound system, and even your movie theater. Big claim, right? But after actually living with this thing, late-night Netflix binges, weekend sports, and even daylight viewing, I realized there's something about it that marketing barely talks about. And depending on how you watch content, that could either make this a dream setup or a deal breaker. XGIMI Horizon 20 Max Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the XGIMI Horizon 20 Max, a premium 4K home projector released in late 2025. It's aimed squarely at people who want a big screen experience without mounting a massive TV. Think apartment dwellers, home theater fans, or anyone who wants flexibility. The headline feature here is brightness. XGIMI is pushing this as one of their brightest lifestyle projectors ever, combined with smart autofocus, automatic keystone correction, and built-in Android TV. Price-wise, it sits firmly in the premium category, so the big question is, does it actually earn that price tag? XGIMI Horizon 20 Max Performance. Okay, specs are cool, but how does it actually perform? Honestly, this is where the Horizon 20 Max really flexes. I used it for everything: movies at night, YouTube during the day, and live sports with friends. And the first thing you notice is brightness. This thing punches through ambient light way better than most projectors I've tested. In a room with the curtains half open, the image is still totally watchable, which is huge if you don't live in a dedicated home theater cave. Motion handling is solid too. Fast camera pans during sports don't smear or stutter, and action scenes stay sharp. Input lag is low enough for casual console gaming. No, it's not an esports monitor replacement, but for couch gaming, totally fine. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes this projector special. First up, ultra-high brightness. This means you're not planning your life around darkness. You can throw on a show during the afternoon without feeling like the image is washed out. That's a massive quality of life upgrade. Next is intelligent screen adaptation. This includes autofocus, auto keystone, obstacle avoidance, and screen alignment. In real life, this means you can move the projector, turn it on, and within seconds it adjusts itself. No measuring, no menu diving, it just works. Third, Android TV built in. You get native apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, no external streaming stick required. The interface is smooth and voice search actually works well. Design and build. Design-wise, XGIMI keeps it clean and modern. The Horizon 20 Max has a soft, fabric-wrapped finish that feels premium without screaming tech box. It blends into a living room way better than most bulky projectors. The build feels solid, with good ventilation and quiet fans. Even during long movie sessions, it never got distractingly loud. Ports are easy to access, and the remote is simple, lightweight, and intuitive. This is clearly designed for people who want powerful tech without the complexity. Image quality and color. Image quality is where movie lovers will really care. You're getting sharp 4K detail, excellent contrast for a projector in this category, and vibrant colors that don't look oversaturated. HDR content looks especially good. Highlights pop, and darker scenes retain detail without turning muddy. Is it OLED-level black? Of course not. But for a projector that can light up a 120-inch screen, the balance between brightness and contrast is impressive. Pros. Excellent brightness for real-world daytime viewing. Strong built-in speakers, better than expected. Clean design and smooth Android TV experience. Cons. Black levels still can't match high-end TVs. Hardcore gamers may want lower input lag. Final verdict. So, who is this actually for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you want a massive screen without committing to a huge TV, the XGIMI Horizon 20 Max is one of the easiest projectors to live with right now. It's bright enough for real life, smart enough to avoid constant tweaking, and good sounding enough to keep your setup minimal. If you're a movie lover, sports fan, or someone who just wants that wow factor in a living room or apartment, this is a fantastic choice. But if you're a hardcore gamer or someone chasing perfect black levels, a high-end TV might still make more sense. Bottom line, this projector doesn't just look good on paper, it actually fits into everyday life, and that's what makes it special.